Hello friends, today let me walk through one real scenario. I'm working on a project and I need to store a lot of information from various sources, including charts. Now I gather all the data. Now I need to prepare a presentation from these data. So how I'm gonna do it? So I found this problem and I found an awesome AI tool that just opened next to my docs or Google Slides, and using that same data within few seconds it creates the presentation the way I want. I can save it, I can store it, and I can use it anytime in the future. So are you excited to see that tool? So let's see what is the tool and how to use it. First, you have to go to the tools website. This is the tools website and the link of this tool you can find in the description. The name is PlusDoc AI. This tool generates presentation with the use of AI. It's an awesome sidebar that opens next to your Google Slides, PowerPoint, or Google Docs. So you can use it right there. This is just an extension. So first, you need to install it. For this, we'll use Google Slides to create the presentation. Here, click on blank presentation. Now on the top, click on extension, then click adds on, and then click get adds on. After this, the Google Workspace Marketplace will open. Here in the search box, we need to search Plus AI. Here you can see the PlusDoc AI presentation tool is appeared. Then we have to click on it, then click to install. Then it will ask for permission, give it the permission. After that, log in with your Google account. Here you can see our extension has been installed. Then go back to extension. Here you can see the Google Slides. PlusDoc has been added. So if you hover over it, we get the two options. New presentation with Plus AI and add it with Plus AI. Since we want to create new, we will click on new presentation option. Now it will take some time to load. Then the build your presentation with Plus AI panel will open. Here under the start from scratch feature, you will get three options. Use a prompt, upload a file, slide by slide. You can generate according to your need. Then on the left side, there is another option called template. Here you can see many templates given. According to your category, templates are provided here. After this, there is feature called custom template, where you can create your own custom template. We want to create new, so we will click on new presentation. Then we want to generate from a prompt, so we'll click on use a prompt button. After this, on the left side, move the cursor to plus default. Here you get three options. Preview template. This is for to see how the template will look. Choose another template, so you can select the template manually and let AI choose. In that scenario, the AI will choose by itself. So I will choose the last one. Below, this is the presentation mode, which we saw earlier. Since we want to generate with the prompt, we will keep it that way. After this, there is a section called what type of presentation do you need? This will give you a ready-made prompt, so you can choose whichever you like. Then inside this box, you have to enter details about your presentation or your topic. I have already written mine, so I'm just going to paste it here. After this, select the language and number of slides. You can select as per your need. Then click on generate outline. Now it will take some time, and here it is. It has generated the outline for us. From here, if you want to edit any outline, you can. If you want to change the slide description, you can. I don't want to make any changes, so I will click on generate presentation. Now it will take a few minutes, and here is our final presentation, created according to the topic I give them. Now let's customize it. For example, if I want to change this text, I will click on it. Then on the top, you can see options like text box, shape, line colors, font size, font alignment. Many customization features are provided, so you can change anything in your presentation. If you don't see the plus doc panel here, just go back to extension, then click on plus AI and then click edit with plus. Then the plus AI panel will appear. Here you get two options, new presentations and edit with AI. We will click on edit with AI. Now here we have 5 features like insert, rewrite, text, remix a slide, add image, add icon. So we'll go one by one. First, let's look at the insert option. So under this, you can change language, slide title, description, template, layout, etc. The next one is rewrite text. In these options, you can change presentation language, instruction, preset, etc. You can also choose to apply it to a selected text, current slide, or all the slides. The next option is remix a slide. Here you can change the mode, template, layout. You can remix slides by slides or slide in one click. So I'm just giving you the overview about all the options. You can try by yourself and see the difference. The next option is add image. Here you can change image source model, give an image prompt and generate image. You can also select from categories. It provides images in photography and illustration style. The last option is add icon. Here you can add icons to your presentation. Plus AI provides an icon library and that you can also use. So this is a Plus Doc presentation maker tutorial. And now let's check out our final result. Looks good, right?
Yes.
So if you found this video useful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with all the professional friends who use presentations frequently. See you in the next one.